Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of October. It's a little bit different than what we normally get, so let's just go ahead and get started. The card this month says Alter Ego. The first thing that's in the box is this Dermovia Lace A Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So this retails for $30. Charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. These things, they don't peel off perfectly, and I always have like little chunks on my face and I just hate it. I don't know if I'm just too impatient or it's because I'm like oily. I don't know. This is the peel paste, I think. Comes with 2 of these. Oh, okay. Things could get weird. Apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid eyes, eyebrows, and hairline and lips. So in the picture, she just kind of puts it like in her T-zone, which is my targeted area, faux show. I'm gonna use this little mask tool thing I have because I hate getting this stuff all over my hands. It doesn't smell bad. I've never done one of these. It has like the hooks for your ears, so I'm excited, honestly. So I'm pressing the lace. I kind of like this because I can like go do other stuff with it. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes or until dry, and then I'll come right back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm just the most impatient person alive, so I just really want to take this off. It feels really dry and it's really, really tight. And it says to pull downward. Okay. Ow. Ow. Alright then. My pores seem pretty cleansed. If you want to try this mask out, you can get 25% off with this code. I am going to rinse off the rest of my face and then we're going to move on to the next product. So I'm back and I put on eyebrows and primed and set my lips. The next item in the box is Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette. And first of all, look how pretty that is. That is so beautiful. It says this is a 10-piece face palette that will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This is so beautiful. Let's see what the inside looks like. These are not super wearable, but as it said, this is just to take like an everyday look and make it sultry. All of these are shimmery and then the brown is matte. I'm gonna make a look and I'm gonna use this Tarte Man-Eater palette for the matte shades. So this is the eye look I created. It actually didn't really go the way I was wanting it to. It worked pretty well. I will say, like, when you start to blend those out, they kind of blend away and you just have to reapply and build them up. But that's like, doesn't bother me that much. And there is a little bit of fallout, so I would say do your eyes before your face if you're using this. And that retails for $38. We're gonna go back to it for the face and for the lower lash line, of course. But so far, it's pretty nice. So the next item in the box is this IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It retails for $24. Pretty sure I've tried this before and I don't think I liked it very much. We'll try it out again. That's what the wand looks like. I already curled my lashes and I'm just gonna go in with the mascara. So I put the mascara on and it wasn't that bad, but it's not that great. Let me get a little closer. Please ignore the huge target on my face, but this is what my lashes look like. And I put 2 coats on just because I felt like it needed to be built up a little bit more. I wouldn't buy it though. So now I'm gonna go put on some face makeup and we'll use this palette again. I have a foundation and concealer and a translucent powder on, and so we're gonna go into this palette and try some of the face stuff. I'm gonna try this shade Enchantment and see if it will work as a bronzer. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. So not bad, not bad. Now I'm gonna go into this shade Hidden Secret and use it as for blush. Looks like it's pretty pigmented. Oh, it is pretty pigmented. Let's go back into this. You do not need much. but it leaves a pretty glow. Like these are all kind of glowy products. I think I like it. I think I like it. And then I'm gonna go into Twilight and use that as a highlighter. It might be a little dark, but we're gonna find out. That's actually really pretty, but it just gives you this nice like glow, and I just can't get enough. Wow, I actually really like that. So I like this palette. I think this is a really good palette to pair with a matte palette or something. The next thing in the box is this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $20, and I got mine in the shade K-Dub. I'm gonna try it on, but it's gonna be ridiculous. I'm wearing a red shirt. I've never tried Kat Von D lipsticks before. It has a nice doe foot applicator, and I don't think I like the way that smells. It kind of smells like stinky feet, just a little bit. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. It feels pretty comfortable. I don't know where I would ever wear this lipstick. I look ridiculous right now. The last thing in the box, this is the Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean, and it is a makeup melt away cleansing balm. I don't normally use things like this. I'm pretty lazy, and I always use makeup wipes, and then I'll just wash my face with my regular cleanser in the shower. This retails for $22. It melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. So this is what it looks like. It's like green in there. It smells really good. I never tried Pharmacy before. Gently massage onto dry skin. It's almost like that stuff that you use so you can turn the pages, like when your hands are dry. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. It turns like into an oil, you guys. I'm gonna go use this and then I'll be right back. I'm back from cleansing that off, and it was really nice. I rubbed it like all in my eyes, and it didn't burn whatsoever. I felt like I used way too much because I started on my mouth, and then I stuck my finger back in there, and there was like pink all in there, and I was trying to get it out. Anyway, I might still use a makeup wipe to get the majority of my makeup off, and then go in with something like this. Use it to cleanse off everything and make sure you got all your makeup off. But just because I'm really stingy and know this product is expensive, but I actually used a hell of a lot, and I didn't really mean to. So the overall value of this month's box was $134. I would say my favorite items in the box were probably actually this cleanse off balm and the palette. Liked the liquid lipstick, but I didn't get a very wearable color, so I can't say that I'll use it a lot. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you got in your this month's box, and did you love it? Did you hate it? Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh no, my eyebrow. Fuck. Holy shit, that scared me. I just stuck my finger in that. What the hell? Am I gonna just shove my finger in every part of this product?